We are at King's Pub, which is across the street from the Irish bar. They do have outdoor seating. Over here, they have the door open. We are in King's Pub. And I will show you the menu in a minute. The bartender is coming over. Okay, here is the menu. These are the specials. So we have sandwiches, small bites, specials. Oh, onion rings. So here is the bottled beer menu.
And then day 2, Saturdays, and Sunday,
seafood, salads, they have wings, quesadillas, sides, burgers and sandwiches, cocktails, and here's the wine list and the liquor list. Okay, and that's it. So our lunch just arrived. Glen got the shrimp and fries. I got a grilled cheese and onion rings. Woo! This floor is uneven and the chair's like a rocking chair. Manja. We are finished with our lunch and it was wonderful. I got the grilled cheese. Glen got a couple of beers, I got a wine, and he got the shrimp. The total was, I don't know if you can see it, $44. Great lunch. Great bartender. We'll find out his name in a minute. This is Domingo, our bartender. So if you come into King's Pub, come and see him. He's wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you.